Today I will show the Indian flag drawing because 2 days later is our Independence Day. Now draw a straight line like this. And make a small circle top of the pillar, and now draw like this. Draw a circle that will be oval. Now draw a circle and 24 spoke in the Ashok Chakra. Keep blending like this. Now start blending light tone and mid tone and then dark tone. I have already shown you light and dark. You know cast shadow, what is cast shadow, and you draw the shadow like this. Keep blending like this. You try to draw the line like me. You can send me a drawing. I have kept the link of Facebook and Instagram in the description box. You can comment me if there is any problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.